Hi guys, today I'll be telling you how to make your own rock candy, and the ingredients for this. Step 1 is you need to get a skewer, and then you dip it in some boiling water and roll it in sugar. Then you boil some water, put the skewer in after it's dried on a plate for 6 hours. And then just wait until it's, and then the skewer, the sugar on it, it grows crystals in like this. So it used to be small like that, but that's not got any on, but it's grown because there's sugar crystals on it now. I hope it tastes nice.